ayan guys, makikita natin guys, mayroon tayong Eicu cabinet for engine control system control. So makita natin yung loob ito guys, tingnan natin yung loob para malaman nyo kung ano yung laman ng Eicu. Nandito yung Eicu A at saka Eicu B. So dito yun guys, nag-iisa sila multi-purpose controller. So the engine interface control unit or Eicu guys is the two Eicus performs as tasks as an interface with the surrounding control system. So the two redundant Eicu units operates in parallel guys. So the Eicus are located in the engine control room. So in the basic execution, the Eicus are placed in the cabinet for Eicus. So optionally, the Eicus can be placed in the ECS Common Control Cabinet. So with ECUs, CCUs, and ACUs. So thank you guys, that's all. For more video guys, just subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.